There's something special in this. Ooh. My name's Gelder. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. There's a lot that's been going on in the background, which is why I'm creating this video. I'm going to explain every single detail of what's been going on. Firstly, the box that you saw at the start of this video, that's a product that I've been making, and it's been 3 months in the making. We had a first batch come through and I wasn't too happy with it, and there was a few changes that need to be done. And then I had this new batch come through, and these are all and it's also going to be a product where it's eco-friendly. So every book you purchase, £1 or £2.50 goes towards this tree organisation that I'm still trying to figure out which tree organisation to trust and go with. So every book you purchase, basically you're planting trees to help the environment, which I think is my way of putting back into the environment as well as yourself every purchase you make. However, these are currently not live yet, but they will be live on my new production company's website. And that's another thing I need to explain. As you can see, I'm not in my home, I'm not in my bedroom anymore. I'm actually in my new office space, which I got at the start of the year, and we did it up how we wanted to do it up. We officially launched just this weekend that's just gone. So you will see a lot of stuff to come from Greater Creatives, which is a new company that I've started. Now, Greater Creatives is a media agency, so obviously it is a business, but we want to try and make it a community as well. So what we've done is we've created a Facebook group called GC Support Group, a group for creatives and small businesses to kind of join all together, and just, it's a page for us all to help motivate each other and support each other in whatever it is. Please make sure you check out, the link will be in the description, as well as the Greater Creatives YouTube channel this Sunday at 12 PM. And this whole video is going to be a document of this whole journey of the agency and seeing it grow and seeing it, you know, become a bigger and better company than it already is. So please make sure you go and support our YouTube channel. But yeah, all your support and all your feedback has been great. Also, the people that have subscribed to this channel, I really appreciate your patience. I know I've been a bit here and there with this channel, but as you can tell, there's been a lot that's been going on, and I just had to get my head straight and focus on this basically, and focus on the product that I've been making at the same time as well. But all good now. I'm going to keep a consistent upload schedule over this channel. It's going to be every Friday, 12 PM, mark my word. If I miss a drop, then obviously I will update you all with that, but Friday is going to be the day I drop a video every single time. And it's going to be more like personalized, like this vlogging style. And I'm also going to be doing tutorials again, because I know you love the tutorials. The views are going crazy, the support is going crazy, even though I haven't been posting, so I really appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, put the notification bell on if you don't want to miss any videos, because there's going to be a lot of videos coming in the recent weeks. It's going to be consistent, so be good if you could, you know, put the notify bell on, and you're always notified when I drop a video, so you don't miss a drop. So that'd be awesome if you could do that. I guess that's everything. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't, there's no pressure. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.